the biggest fight in boxing history.
Let's do it. Floyd Mayweather to face Conor McGregor in a boxing match.
They have you fight MMA fighters now, they have you doing all this stuff. How do you...
It's possible. There may be a boxer versus an MMA fighter.
What if you were in the ring with Floyd Mayweather? What do you think would happen?
I certainly know he would not want to step into my world, but I most certainly would step into his world. If we were to get it on, I would dismantle him also.
Conor McGregor has said this afternoon that his UFC career is on hold indefinitely. He will now turn all of his attention to fight only one man, and that is Floyd Money Mayweather.
You keep barking, keep barking, keep barking. I'm gonna pull your card, see if you really real. You keep barking, I'm gonna see if you gonna bite.
He could knock out Conor McGregor at any moment in that fight, whenever and however he pleases, with either hand.
Floyd Mayweather's 40 years old. Conor McGregor's 27. Conor's a big dude. Floyd has trouble with southpaws. Conor McGregor is southpaw. And Conor McGregor hits like a truck.
Yes. Fuck Floyd Mayweather! My fist is bigger than his head.
49-0, never been knocked down, never been knocked out.
I know every single shot he's been hit with. I don't care what rule set it's under. I'm gonna teach him about true fighting, and that's it.
Conor McGregor, you a bitch. You're not on my level. You will never be on my level. Never compare Conor McGregor to me. That's a total disrespect.
He's a Malteser with eyeballs. He's scared shitless.
Well, look, Floyd, trust me. This whole boxing world don't know what they're gonna see when I roll in here. I'm unpredictable. He needs me. I don't need him. Game is in for a shock once again. I am boxing.
I've been listening to them laugh my whole career. I've got this situation where people are truly doubting me, like they doubted me at the very, very beginning.
I'm the boxing guy. Watch me take over boxing. Trust me on that. Floyd doesn't not knowing that this boxing game knows what's coming. Trust me on that. When I step in there, I'm gonna shock the whole goddamn world. Look me in the eyes, 28 years of age, confident as a motherfucker, long, rangy, dangerous with every hand. I'm gonna stop Floyd. You're all gonna eat your words. The whole world is gonna eat your words.
No fighter in the history has done what Floyd Mayweather has done. And we're just speaking facts. I'm gonna stay at the top, do what I want to, how I want to, and continue to control boxing, because when you speak boxing, you're speaking Mayweather.